I can speak to the other issues. I'm happy to do that. I just don't want to extend any time. On the civil theft charge, I think it's very clear that that is a higher burden to hit. That is clear and convincing evidence. The evidence was very, very clear at trial, and Judge Mall found that Florida Cardiovascular did not meet its burden of proof or even approach that. There was a separate medical directorship contract that was part and parcel of Dr. Ravi Rao's employment or recruitment agreement, or both, that was incorporated into it. And
the check that was given to Dr. Rao,
yes,
for which I guess normally would be deposited into the account of cardiovascular, and then they would pay him. This particular check, am I correct in that it was made out to both cardiovascular and to the doctor?
No, ma'am. The particular check was made out at that time directly to Dr. Ravi Rao, and it was made out by Tina Phillips, who was an employee of the hospital. She was in the cardio.
So he cashed a check that was made out to him?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
And he was always entitled to all that money as the medical director. There was no money that was going to be held back by Florida Cardiovascular at all for any period of time, and that was Patty Reisinger, the office manager of Florida Cardiovascular. That was her testimony, that whenever they would receive the money, it was immediately paid to Dr. Ravi Rao. They had no right to even hold it and invest it or earn any interest or anything off of it. It was all his money. So you can't steal from yourself, very clearly, and he had nothing to do with the crafting of this check. Tina Phillips testified she was the one who decided to write it to Dr. Rao because she thought that's what was supposed to have happened. So clearly he can't have any of the necessary mens rea or mental process to commit some sort of a criminal offense. On the